Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. And today I'm going to present to you a training workshop on de-escalation skills for supervisors in the industrial fields. All right, so giving positive feedback regularly is really important, letting them know that you appreciate and value what they're doing. That builds a lot of trust, builds a lot of rapport. 4 of the needs that we have found to be really important to satisfy, we call these the risk needs. RISC, respect, identity, safety, and control. If you're in an escalated state, if you get defensive, so you need to be able to regulate your own emotions and your own defensive reactions if you're gonna wanna de-escalate the situation. So let's talk about acknowledging first. Acknowledging means acknowledging that there is an actual problem. So if you see someone getting really frustrated, and you can tell by someone's tone or by their attitude that they're just not having a good day or they're frustrated, there's something going on, there's some issue. So here's what I came up with. Oh man, this is aggravating. You didn't get your paycheck on time and you should have, and you definitely work hard for us, so this shouldn't be happening. I'm gonna make a call to accounting right now and figure out what's going on. I'm on this. I'll let you know as soon as I hear back. And if I have to explain the policy or if I have to explain something, then it might sound like this. So it looks like you elected to get paid by check. Payments are made on the 3rd, but with checks, it might not get to you for a few days. Can we switch you over to direct deposit?
Is that I've already spent $45 worth of gas and you pay me $29.70. That's my point.
Once someone goes into an escalated state, super hard to get them to problem solve. So he becomes escalated and the boss wants to continue the argument he's making about the gas or something like that. I would just suggest, okay, you're obviously upset. Let's take a seat. Let's look at this together. I'm on your team here. I'm not trying to oppose you. So number 1, if someone is escalated, they're not calming down and they may get aggressive, the first thing to do is try to isolate them away from other coworkers so that other people can remain safe.